and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we're going to show you how to make a chicken Florentine, but Letscookolet going to bring it one level up. So we're creating chicken Florentine today that can be on the restaurant, on a high-end restaurant menu, so you get the chance to make it and to try it before we be on the restaurant menu. So let's start here first with the stuffing. I have some spinach. I already chopped them. It's a fine chop. Fine chop onion as well. Some red pepper, fine chop as well. Now I'm gonna add feta cheese, squeeze of fresh lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. Mix it very well. Voila, here we go. Now let's put it on the side and let's flatten our chicken to stuff it. So what I have here, it's a skinless, boneless chicken breast, medium size, and I'm using a clear film here. You can use any clear film you have or plastic bag, clear plastic bag, but make sure it's a food graded. So when I work with raw chicken, gloves first. So you take the chicken and place it in the middle, and let's get to work here, right? So first one we're gonna start with the spike side first. We're gonna loosen the muscles and then we flatten it with the other side. So just you need to be a little patient. Start with the thick side first. Flip and do the other side now. Voila, it's ready to go. Nice, look how flat and look how big it is. So now we're gonna stuff the chicken from the inside, right? So just open the plastic and the stuffing we just made right in the middle. And you roll the chicken both sides. It's like you're rolling pita bread. And here we go. Lovely. And ready to go into the baking pan. Now the third one. Lovely. Here you go. Roll both sides, or fold both sides, then roll it. Nice, here we go. And into the baking pan. Put it beside each other. I have a little bit olive oil on the bottom here. Now you can put some oregano or paprika on top, whatever it is. Me, I have some chicken spice here. I have some baby potatoes and ready to go in the oven. We'll put it in for 15 minutes and we'll check on it. Voila, it's been there for 15 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, just split them from each other a little bit. There you go, so they can cook on the side as well. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add some asparagus and carrot, a little bit oregano, salt and pepper, and good to go back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Now in the meantime, we're waiting for a chicken Florentine to be ready. We're gonna do some more vegetables, so I'm gonna chop some red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, and we're going to slice them very, very thin, pretty much an angel hair thin. And ready to be sauteed. So frying pan, medium high, olive oil, salt and pepper, Beautiful. Turn off, and let's check our chicken here, how it's doing. Yummy. Yummy, look at this. The chicken into the plate, because I want to use the juice for the sauce. I'm making lemon dill sauce for it. Transfer all the potatoes beside the vegetables. Lovely. And this is the juice we want to use. There we go. Now medium high to melt the butter. Nice. When the butter is melting, bring it down to medium. Now we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of flour. Nice. Look at this. This is to thicken our lemon dill sauce. Now we're gonna add the au jus from the tray, the one from the chicken and the vegetables. I'm gonna add some light cream and a little bit dill, lemon zest here. A little mix and let it thicken up a little bit. Lovely. Look at that beautiful lemon dill sauce for our chicken Florentine. Let's plate our special chicken Florentine. Put the potatoes all in the middle. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna push a little bit to flatten the potato a little bit here so we can put the stuffing on. Look at that, beautiful. The asparagus and the mixed pepper. Lovely. Now for the chicken, we're gonna grab one and I'm gonna slice it about 1/4 inch, and we're not gonna slice all the way, just 1/4 way down. As I said, 3/4 way down. Now you grab the whole chicken, you put it on top. Nice, look how it open up stuff. So roasted potato, asparagus, the mixed pepper, and the chicken, the lovely sauce on top. Yummy. And of course we have our carrot. Beautiful. Here you go. Your chicken Florentine. Letscookolet brought it one level up. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.